These are the unknown frames, and I will show you how to take out and reinstall the lenses. So to take out the lenses, you're going to take the top and bottom part of the frames, you're going to pull them apart and push down. Again, top and bottom, pull out and push. Now, to reinstall the lenses, you're going to take one and you're going to slide this part into the grooves over here. You want to do this gently so you don't hurt the lens. And this part of the groove is going to be snugly with the lens. And you just push down on the exposing parts. You should hear a click. Again, this part of the lens into this part of the groove. Gently slide and push and push.